Alright, what we'll be looking at today is the feasibility of the engine in Skippy. This is the Rouge Shooting Mobile. So the engine in this going in Britney. So to do that, we need to see if it runs smooth, and it's not going to do it at the moment with the carby that's on it. So we've got to either freshen up the carby that's on it or get a different carby. If you hear something buzzing in the background, that's the ultrasonic cleaner. So we're going to have some carby fun today, get a carby that works, hook it up to the bike, and just see how healthy this motor is, because there's no point putting this motor in Britney if it's stuffed. I don't think it would be, but yeah, we'll see. Just because we'll try to salvage another carby. This one was from Jenny, Ed's parts bike. It'll come with it anyway. Wasn't attached to it or anything, but I can't even open that choke lever up at all. The butterfly's stuck, so there's some pretty serious stuff going on there. But yeah, be really good to see if we could bring this thing back to life. I doubt it, but give it a go. So emulsion tube, as well. Trouble getting that out. Focus. Main jet, and pilot jet, and the main jet as well. So I'll dunk all this in the cleaner. See if we can bring this one back to life. Alright, so that junk carby from Jenny, it came up better than what I thought. I didn't have much hope for it at all. You can still see a bit of crud down there, but I only had on the ultrasonic cleaner for about half an hour, so who knows, if I change the solution or whatever and I'll dump it in there again, like it might do a bit more to it. This I was pretty impressed with. The choke butterfly was completely, don't know whether I filmed that, it's completely blocked. Now it actually opens quite nicely. I removed one screw, I couldn't get the other one out, so that's why there's one screw there and one hit like that. Yeah, I don't know, you wouldn't be putting it and expecting it to run as smooth as something new, but you know, if you needed to get, say, an engine going that you didn't expect to work, we don't need it because we've got that one. So if you need to get an engine going that you didn't expect to work, you could put something on this on it, you know, just to get it going. Like it'd have flat spots all over the place and probably idle a bit rough, but yeah, overall not bad. As for the minor bits, float okay. This one's got a different, it's an older version of that carby, so it's got a different screen filter on it. That goes in front of the petcock seal. So petcock was completely full of rust, obviously from the tank of Jenny, or a different bike, I don't know, who knows. You know, this might have come in a package deal. So yeah, petcock turned out alright anyway. Slide is a bit stuffed, like it's a bit rough. Like everything on it though, it'll still work, it still slides up and down. What probably could do with another rinse or whatever, but jets, Yeah, well, better than what they were, but you know, there's a little bit of crap on the top. It's the emulsion tube anyway. The main jet, pilot jet. So you can see through the holes now at least. That's the important part. Don't worry about the look of it, because that's the part that matters. This is all metered. Drain plug. That is mixture screw. There's a new rubber seal. Main jet needle, tarnished. Oh, the circlips all the way on the top. They're supposed to be in the middle on these things. Idle adjuster screw. You know, springs. Yep. Main jet, the big one. Better than what it was, but yeah, you can see through it now. There's got a bit of shit in there still, a bit of water. There you go. See, I've got to get this focus. It's got the shit under my nails anyway. Yeah, you can see straight through it now. Yeah, so now I can't get the focus to fucking work. You can't. Right, so that's yeah, that's all that. Yeah, I was just interested to see how well the bloody ultrasonic cleaner worked. You know, like they're not perfect, but you know, trying to clean that by hand to get it to that would take forever, where it was just half air in the ultrasonic cleaner. Yep, just good experiment, but we'll get back to trying to get Roo going with one of the good carbies. All right, this is the carby out of Skippy. Yum, yum, yum. So I'll dunk it in the ultrasonic cleaner. And we'll see if we can bring it back to life. Because that is disgusting. The jets. Well, now I've got shit fuel all over the phone. Good. Jets would be caked in shit. Oh, whack it in. There we go. So this is what it turned out like. Pretty good considering what it was. Well, usually I just throw something like that out. But yeah, came up pretty clean. Even the jets turned out alright. Alright, put it back together and we'll see if it works. Done. Good as new. Look at that. Brand spanker. Alright, carby refurbished and on. Hooked up the airbox with the stupid cap on the end. So I'll kick it in the guts. Alright, so we had a failed attempt on the kickstart. I'm trying to kickstart with that. The spark plug wasn't done all the way up, and that was that funny noise you could hear when I was kicking it over. So tightened it up, and originally I had the original carby that was on this thing on here, the one I cleaned up, but I also cleaned up one from the red-headed stepchild that Head gave me, which was a lot better. The jets just looked a bit cleaner, not as tarnished, the brass on them. So I'll put that one on there instead. So we'll see if she fires up on that. So I've reconnected the rack and the airbox as well with a filter, and everything's done up to posty spec, so it should run pretty smooth then. I didn't expect that. Still a bit cold. It doesn't sound too noisy. Bit of time and chain noise, but just need to be tensioned. No smoke. Plenty of hay. That's probably just unburnt fuel from when I bloody work the throttle. Well, I think we've got a dynamotor for Britney. Oh, I'll start it again and get a close up of the carby doing its thing. Alright, so now we've got the donor motor. I'll swap this now for Britney's motor, so I'll just switch the two, and the same with the exhaust as well. I won't need to do it for the swing arms and the back wheel, because I've got something else planned for them, which I'll do in another video. Just involves another rear wheel and swing arm I may have acquired. Because Britney's wheel and swing arm will be going on this bad boy over here, Susie. Yeah, Susie's swing arm, but that one I'll put on there from Jenny is a bit buggered, and like I said, the wheel's all seized up and stuff as well when you tighten the wheel up, so we can't have that. Now that we've got a running engine, that motor we got running on the bench can go in here. So Britney's pieces that are no longer needed, which is the rear wheel sprockets, swing arm and pegs, will be going over here. So now that will be a riding, working, what was I going to say, riding bike. Alright, that's all for now. Happy days.